So I got the error code P0130 O2 sensor upstream, bank one, it's driver's side. So this is the actual original sensor. This is the one I replaced it with. It's a Bosch. It was a Bosch 15175. It didn't last that long, maybe 20,000 miles or so. So I'm going to replace it again. This time I'm going to replace it with the Brit part. Here's the item number. Got this from Lucky 8 for $47 delivered. So I'm going to put a little copper grease on the threads and replace it. So I'm getting no signal. I swapped it with the other bank and saw the signal. So but if you notice how similar these look, I think original are probably Bosch. But anyway, this one's got a little longer tail, which makes life a little easier. Okay, so I started getting the check engine light, and I was getting the P0171 lean, and then kind of reset it, got a P0130, still lean, P0130, still lean. But then, you know, don't even drive it, and you're just getting straight P0310. So diagnosing it using the blue driver, looking at the O2 sensors with the voltage. So the first one, so the bad O2 sensor, if you see, is a bank 1, sensor 1, was just giving me over 1 on the voltage. I put in a different O2 sensor that I thought was bad, and in fact it was showing no voltage. And then the third one, I swapped the two O2 sensors, and that's when you saw the good one. So it showed a good setting. So that's when you knew it was the O2 sensor. So here's a reading with the new sensor on bank 1, so it's got good voltage reading, as well as bank 2. And this is the money shot. This is what you want to see. No codes. So problem solved. So one of the nice things about that longer tail with the Brit part O2 sensor is I could actually loop it all the way out here and zip tie it to secure it. If you've ever taken one of these things off, the attachment point is in the rear of the engine. It's very hard to get it off, and actually really hard to get it back on. It's actually easier just to find some place to zip tie these to secure the wires so they don't hit any of the exhaust system.